Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of how to build a bedroom out of a staircase. So the two stairs are down and in one piece, more or less, and I start to use the demolition hammer to break it down. But during that walk I realize not only do the tiles don't remove very easily, they were actually fit very well, glued very well, and I was surprised. I was thinking one hit with the hammer and the tile would just chip off, but they didn't. So I was using the demolition hammer to break down the concrete in hand or in carryable size of concrete. And I realized that this is much harder than I expected it to be. So I got my Bosch 228 and got a 35 years old 25 millimeters Hilti drill. Yes, that thing is 35 years old and still lasts very well. So I got it and I started to drill holes next to each other in a line, so that when I have this line I can take the demolition hammer, enter in one of the holes and it will split along these lines. At least that was my idea. I tried to drill the lines along the reinforcement iron so it would split the concrete open, that the reinforcement iron comes out of the concrete straight away, so I can separate the iron and the concrete for recycling. So as I said, I went straight at it with the demolition hammer, and it was surprising me how hard the tiles were actually. Some of them broke up easily, some would not want to go off at all. So I got my Bosch and started to drill holes with the 25mm drill. It worked well, but I later realized that I don't actually need 25mm holes. It takes long to take 25mm holes, so I started to use then a 12mm which I had lying around, which was a little bit which was going faster. Yeah, let's say it this way. You can see on my posture that it was quite tiring. The concrete is very hard, the drill bit only entered slowly. So I used a chisel to remove all the remaining tiles and then continued drilling holes. As you can see, the stairs on the ground are already demolished quite a lot, but then I realized the more I cut off from there, the more the stairs on the wall starts to slip down, so I was kind of afraid that it would actually squeeze my leg in also. You can see on this part of the video how the chisel is stuck up, so I continued down a little bit, then went on drilling the stairs towards the wall, still with the 25mm though, right here. Then went on with the demolition hammer again to break it down, and again more holes. As you can see now, I'm using a 12mm drill, also from Hilti, in my Bosch 228. These are how I separated the holes. As you can see, they are aligned with the reinforcement iron so that it chips off, the iron will be freed. And that was the first step which got off. And that same game continued for quite a while. Altogether, I watched this video in slow motion and realized that altogether that day I drilled over 450 holes. And the machine is doing a great job. I have the machine already since 2016, bought it in Nigeria, but I actually bought it while I was staying in Nigeria, imported it from Germany.
and did a lot of work in Nigeria. Never serviced the machine, but in the close-up videos of the next parts you will see that it started leaking oil because the shaft seal got damaged. I still didn't fix it yet. I ordered the spare parts already at the service center from Bosch, got them, but still didn't find the time yet to fix it. I was even thinking of maybe change the complete hammer system of the machine to have like a brand new machine again. That's the good thing with Bosch machines, you actually get all the spare parts and you can do the repairs by yourself. Yeah, I'm back with the demolition hammer, and these are like the final seconds of the stairs, of the right stair. Yeah, that is it. That was it for the day, and I continued with the rest on the next day because yeah, I wanted to have some days off as well. I hope you like this video. Part 5 is coming in a bit, and yeah, tune in for more. Bye bye.